Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am glad you're here. This is a 10 by 30 gallery wrap canvas, and I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to head out of town for about 10 days, going up to Virginia to hang out with my girls, help my daughter Taylor out with the grandbaby, and just give some needed mama love to them. So I'm not going to be painting, and I'm sad, but I'm delighted to be with my girls and spend some time with them. So I had leftover paints from paints that I did in previous videos this week, and they're all right here. And I stared at them for a while and I said, well, we got to use these babies up. Rather than pour them in a plastic cup with a lid, let's just use them up. And I looked at them and I'm like, well, what can I do? So I decided to do a beachy scene with the ocean here, the sunset here, and over here in this corner I'm going to put some seagrass, kind of like at nighttime, and you're looking through the seagrass out to the water and the sunset, and I figured, you know, I got the colors to do that. So this is going to be our ocean. This is going to be our sunset. And this is going to be our seagrass. So what are these colors? I'm going to try to go over with you all the colors I have here. We have Amsterdam, acrylics, and this is the orange, which is going to be part of our sunset. We have golden iridescent gold fine, part of our sunset. We have the last, oh, no, what is this? This isn't the last of anything. We have golden acrylics iridescent copper, which is part of our sunset. Our grassy area down in through here is Artist Loft Black and iridescent bronze fine, and I might even throw some of that into my sunset as well. Our water is fun. We have Porridge Posse paints, Silver Lake Metallics. This is left over from the swipe I did the other day with Julie Vatcher. We also have Golden's Pain Gray. And this color right here I mixed up as well with some iridescent pearl, which is right there. And I think that's everything, guys. So what I am going to do, I'm going to swipe, I'm going to flip cup, I'm going to plastic report cover swipe, and I'm just going to play. I'm going to get quiet. I'm going to put my tunes on. I'm going to enjoy my last painting for a week and a half, and I'm just going to get into the zone, guys. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for zoning with me. Let's paint.
So we go. I've been everywhere. I've seen so many things. I've loved and I have lost. I felt the fire sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving. so we go. I've been everywhere, I've seen so many things. I've loved and I have lost, I felt the fire sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving still. That is the journey that we're on. And to that starlit sky, we gaze and question why. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so we go. So we go. We climb ever higher, strive to catch the moon. No fear of falling down, for later must be soon. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so we go. We're all runners, oh, and we're all runners. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so we go. So we go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.